Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the problem when your Steam client is not properly downloading games on your Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Steam, click on the settings tab over here and select settings. On left side select downloads. On right side download religion. Click on this drop down. You need to change your download religion. Try selecting a different religion close to your actual location. In my case, I'm in India. I'm gonna switch to India, Chennai. Select restart now. After doing this, you just need to go to Steam tab and select settings and select downloads. You just need to scroll down, clear download cache. Clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. Click on clear cache, select confirm. Now sign into your account and hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.